All right, so I'm gonna do a little fishing rod switch out here. These are more deep sea rods, but I can use them down on the shore. So that one doesn't have the wire on it, so I'm just gonna switch it out. So watch. And I always try to have an extra rod with me, and then I'll fix this. Take that out. Grandfather and all my cousins are really good fishermen. I actually grew up fishing. Here we go. Well, I'll try this one more time. If not, I'm just going to turn it off. Starter. Need to get really good fish.